This video is going to target those that have the lower belly fat. I know I've been there. I am even still working on my lower belly fat. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. You know that feeling when you think you're slim, not even when you think you're slim, when you think you have the perfect body shape, you don't want to go any further to share that overall weight, and you're at your perfect level, you've gotten what you want, but that tummy bulge just seems to be the only culprit that won't just leave you. I've been there, guys, and I know how it feels. I know the general feeling. I have battled with belly fat almost all my life, and with different things, with the kind of food you have. Mine has been greatly due to hormones anyway. In a way, they've told me that there's little that I can do about it, but I don't listen. I don't want to hear that there's little that I can do about it. I want it out of the way, and I have found out the things that work for me. In this video, I'm going to be sharing this major thing you can use, how you can use chili and pineapple to get rid of the lower distension. I call it that fupa, that lower belly fat. Your belly is just there. Sometimes the upper one is flat, but it's just that lower belly fat that just seems to hang in there, and there's almost nothing you can do about it. So guys, I found out what worked for me, and I have been doing this, and I think I have gotten at least 70% of what I want. I'm not 100% yet, but it's a lot better than where I am coming from. So if you've been battling with belly fat, especially the lower distension, especially that lower belly fat, then this video is for you. I have seen it work for me, and that is why I am comfortable to share with you guys. So guys, let's just go and do this together. Please watch this video from the beginning till the end, because you don't want to miss anything. So let's do this together. Pineapple in this case is used because it contains the enzyme bromelain, and this has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, and in particular it helps to shrink belly fat, lower belly fat to be specific. It also is a good source of fiber. Pineapple is very good for your gut, it's rich in fiber, and therefore it aids digestion. Of course, if you are bloated or if you are constipated, your tummy will bear the marks of someone that is bloated, because it will look big, and this, in this case, is not usually fat. It's just for you to get rid of the excess waste that is sitting in your colon. If you use pineapple or you take pineapple juice effectively, it's going to help to keep things moving, and your tummy will look flatter than normal, and it's also going to help you shed a lot of extra kilos that are just hanging around your body. So guys, the reason why we're using chili pepper or cayenne pepper in this case is because cayenne pepper is a natural herb that helps you to lose weight. This red pepper can help you to curb your appetite, it speeds up your metabolism, and it helps you burn calories. That is why we are combining it with pineapple. So guys, I'm cutting into my pineapple now. I don't need a lot, I just need a little bit to make a glass of juice, or a glass of smoothie, or a glass of pineapple smoothie, chili, whatever you want to call it. So guys, I'm done with my pineapple. I've given it a good rinse as well. So I'm just going to pour the chunks I have into my smoothie maker in order to get ready for blending. So I'm using a teaspoon of my chili pepper. You can use habanero fresh pepper if you want, if you don't have this blended ground pepper. It depends on the one you have. You can use just one single habanero. It might be very, very hot, but it depends on your tolerance for chili. But I like this because it's quite mild for me. And next, I'm going to be adding some water to blend this. So guys, you see, I have my smoothie here, just pineapple and the chili. This is very good, and it's good enough. So what I usually do is I take a cup of this once a day. I do this 3 times a week. I take it Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that kind of thing. I just juxtapose. I just try to switch it and take it every other day. And apart from it helping with my belly fat and with my lower belly fat. It's also very good to maintain your body weight. It helps for digestion. It helps especially if you're usually constipated. So the combination of the chili and the pineapple is very, very good, especially if you're looking at just shedding your lower body or just your lower belly fat. It's going to help you a great deal. And please let me just sound a note of warning. If you have ulcer or you have ulcer symptoms, or you just have like all those like gastroenteritis, all those kind of like symptoms where you have a lot of burping or you have sores in your stomach, kindly skip on this. Please, this is not for you, because pineapples are acidic and the combination of the chili as well might cause more harm than good. So please, this is not for you. This is just for you if you know you don't have those symptoms at all. Let me just sound a note of warning there. So guys, this is my tip today. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please don't keep this video to yourself. Kindly share, kindly tell a friend, kindly let them know. If this has worked for you before, let me know in the comment section as well. Let me know what's worked for you and what didn't work for you. Let me know your experience. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope to see you again and again. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly use this opportunity to subscribe. Kindly click on the red subscribe button and don't forget your notification as well, so that you get a message anytime I drop new videos. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, because you're beautiful. Bye.